back at the range complex. They're not even open yet, man. They're not even open yet. Gotta wait till 12. All right, so I'm back. I got everything checked in, did all of that stuff, and like I said, man, I got a palmetto steak Dagger. Get it in the light. I ain't got a lot of time. I gotta get to work, so I'm gonna just show it to y'all real quick. Show you that it is unloaded. And this whole bill, man, cost me about like 270 bucks. For anybody interested, that's the PSA SW2 RMR ECC slide assembly. Came as is. All right, so we're recording off a gimbal. We don't know what the hell we doing, man, but I got it right here. 15 round mag. Just a mag dump just to see it for a function test. Starting off with the bullshit. We'll lock the slide back this time, see what make a difference. Same old BS, man. Straight out the box. I'm gonna put some oil on it. All right, so I got some oil on it. We're gonna try this again. That worked. We got a few more rounds left. Let's just see if we can get them to run through it. Perfect. All right, we got that one done. And just like that, man, we're gonna go ahead and finish that video. But just being honest, an honest opinion, at the price point, the Dagger beats the Glock, man. As a Glock clone, that's the winner, bro. Save your money, go get you a Dagger. Trigger for trigger, going with the Dagger. Sights, I'm gonna definitely give that one to the Glock though, man. The Glock definitely out the box. The Glock is definitely coming with some better sights. They ain't the best, but they're definitely better than the Dagger. But like I said before, at the price point, you're not beating that, man. You could get you one for, you know, around $250. You know what I mean? $250. A Glock on the low end, you might get lucky and catch you one for about 4 and some change. 3 and some change at Gen 3. You know, some of them spots getting rid of them, trying to get those off the shelf. Besides that, it's about 1:30. I'm running late. Supposed to be to work at 2. So I got to call this customer and let him know what's going on. Dirty Gun signing out.